Okay, today we're going to go over how to use the Reverso conjugation website. It's pretty simple actually, but it's a great tool for being able to conjugate verbs. So over here on the left, there's a little pull down tab. Obviously, we want German. So first you need to know what verb you're looking for. Let's just use one. Let's use the verb spielen, so to play. So we'll go ahead and hit spielen and then hit conjugate. I hit enter on my keyboard. So here it'll give you all the conjugations for spielen. Now spielen is a regular verb and hopefully we already know how to conjugate this. But in case we don't or we're unsure and we're working on some writing or something like that, or we're just working with this handful of verbs, using this website is a good tool. So the first thing it'll give you is a present tense. This is German 1. Ich spiele, I play. Then it'll give you the perfect or the conversational past. Ich habe gespielt. I played. Then if you go over to the next one, it will give you the Präteritum or the simple past. And of course we remember that the Präteritum or the simple past is frequently used with reading and writing, and less often with speaking. So for example, ich spielte. And there's also some other tools that they've kind of added on here as well. Of course, you can copy and paste, but let's not do that because we want to practice our writing. And you can click the little the speak button there to hear what it sounds like, but you probably don't need that. There's some other cases here. There's future tenses. There's Konjunktiv 2. So if you're an upper level German, we'll be working with that too. So this is a good place to look for that as well. What else do we have? There's a lot of other cases, probably more information on here than you need. You know, the infinitive, the perfect form, which of course is already at the top here. Yeah, back here, ich habe gespielt. But if you're just looking for some shortcuts, they're at the bottom there too. They've kind of updated and changed the website recently, so it looks a little bit different than it used to be. I think now it's a little more user-friendly and there's more things you can kind of click on there. Let's just do another verb really quick as an example. How about the verb haben? That's a good one. And that's one that we use present, perfect, and Präteritum. Now the indicative, the indicative here, the top ones here, these are the ones we'll probably use the most. So this is probably where you want to stick when you're looking for things. Again, this first row of 3 right here. But as you get into the upper levels, future tenses, things like that, you can go ahead and scroll down to the bottom there. Ich habe gehabt. Ich hatte. So, and they're all in there. That's pretty much it. It's pretty simple and easy to use. Again, you just type the German verb that you're looking for in the top, and it'll give you the conjugation. It's as simple as that.